Hello, let's take a look at your M25 practice test. On question number 1, you've got triangle FGH, so let's label this. Here's F, G, and H. Now I told you angle H was 2 times angle G, and angle G was 3 times angle F. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know anything about X, let's call that X. So angle F is X. Angle G is 3 times that, so that's 3x. And then angle H is 2 times angle G, so 2 times 3 would be 6x. Now, we know they're 180 degrees in a triangle, so if I add up 3x plus 6x plus x, that will give me 10x equals 180. Then if I divide by 10, x is 18. And I'm asked to find, let me make this a little bit thicker for me. I'm asked to find the measure of angle H, which is 6 times 18. So if I take 6 times 18, we get 108 degrees. Okay, question number 2. Notice we're given that angle A and angle C are the same. So we just make an equation on that. 4x plus 12 equals 72. Then let's solve for x. So 4x minus 12 from both sides, you get 60. Divide by 4, you get x equals 15. And there's your answer for number 2. Number 3, we're told that angle A and angle C are the same, and they're both 55 degrees. I'll put in 55 here. We're told AD is congruent to CD. Oh, and then I didn't say they're supported AB from the beginning. It says they're supported by 2 cables of equal length. So I know A to B and B to C are the same. And first thing I want you to write the congruence statement. So we're going to say triangle, let's go ABD is congruent. If I go ABD, that would be triangle CBD. How you name these triangles doesn't matter as long as they correspond. Now, if I look at what I'm given here, why are these triangles congruent? Because we have side, angle, side. So the reason these 2 triangles are congruent is side, angle, side. Now, there is more than one correct answer here, because you could have rightly assumed a flagpole should be at a 90-degree angle. So we got a whole bunch of other ways we could have done this also correctly. I would have given you credit no matter what. But you got to tell me the names of the triangles that are congruent and the reason they're congruent. Now in question 4, we kind of do the same thing. I've got triangle ABC, and I've got triangle PQR. And I'm told AB is congruent to PQ, and angle A is congruent to angle P. I know that no matter what. Now on question 4, if angle B is congruent to angle Q, why are those 2 triangles congruent? And once again, the reason they're congruent is angle, side, angle. So that's what I was looking for on question 4. Now, if I erase the angle B, need my eraser there, sorry. And let's try that again. It keeps on going away. There we go. Let me draw that back in. Okay, so I'm back to my given. And now I'm going to say angle C is congruent to angle R. Well, notice the side's no longer between the angles, is it? So that one's angle side is what we're looking for on, there's your first 5 questions.